everyone, and we are live for the first time on Facebook ever since my crowning as Miss World, and I'm back where I was crowned in Sanya. It's a wonderful day here. How is everyone? I think I'm so happy that I'm able to do this live with all of you. And first of all, I know it's very late and I know I might have done it a lot of times, but thank you so much everyone for all your love, not just after the crowning but before the crowning. You all have supported me, believed in me, and I think this was a dream not only me but a lot of people lived together, and I'm happy that I was able to do that for all of you. A lot of hearts and a lot of love coming in. Thank you so much for joining me on my live. I think I really wanted to take this opportunity to speak to all of you about the wonderful things I've been doing as Miss World. Yes, it sometimes is very grueling and it's very hectic, but I think it's something that I enjoy. I've always enjoyed being in the company of people. I've always enjoyed, being a people's person, reaching out to, I know the kind of people that I'm meeting, I wouldn't be able to meet otherwise. And it's like, doing what you love. So I guess that's what live videos are also about. So I think a lot of people have just joined in. So very, very big thank you for everything that you guys have done. You've really made me feel very loved throughout the journey of Miss World, and of course after Miss World as well. Right from the homecoming, the kind of response that I got from you, from my home country, India, and also from people abroad as well, not only Indians but other nationals as well. I think that just gives me the drive to keep doing even better. Miss World is all about beauty with a purpose, and I think beauty with a purpose is what is very special about the Miss World family. And this year we have 6 continental queens as well as Miss World 2016 Stephanie Delvage traveling with me, all of us together on a Miss World Beauty with a Purpose tour. And our tour has started this month, in the month of February, and I'm so happy that they started the tour with my project on menstrual hygiene in my home country, India. So for 1 week we were in India promoting menstrual hygiene, and the kind of things that I saw over there were amazing. The kind of response that I got from communities who didn't even know what a sanitary pad was, but how accepting they were, how much they reciprocated the kind of enthusiasm we had when we went to spread awareness as well as supply to those people. I have traveled to the south of India, to the east, the north, the west, and I know that this might not be enough, but the amount of work, definitely I got a lot of sleepless nights, and we were working day and night, and I'm so thankful to my Miss World sisters for doing this with me, for joining me in. But I think all of it was worth it, because at the end of it, the kind of response that I got, the kind of impact that I know we have made is what keeps me going. So right now we're having a fun time here in Sanya, and I'm very excited. I think this is the point of time I really wanted to go live with all of you and share this moment of being back to the place where I was crowned as Miss World. Sanya is as beautiful and vibrant as it was, and in fact a little more, because the Chinese New Year is coming and we are here filming for it as well. I think this time, because the Chinese New Year is being filmed in Sanya, they wanted to add Miss World, because every time it's happened in China, it's happened over here many times, and that is what Sanya is, something that is connected to Sanya. So we'll be part of the New Year's here in China, and I see that you all have a lot of questions and a lot of love that's pouring in. So this is a bit about my beauty with a purpose. Of course, we started from my project, but now we will be going to Indonesia next and walking across the iconic Golden Bridge, which was another Beauty with a Purpose project that won from Indonesia to help school children, to help children from a village community to cross to go to school. So we'll be walking across the iconic Golden Bridge, which a Miss World has never done. So I think it's an honor for me. I know this this particular tour is was for 40 days, and I have 1 month more to go. I know it's going to be hectic. It's going to be, I might feel homesick, but I am so excited because of the kind of response that I got from my home country and from the entire world. So after Indonesia, we'll be visiting the British Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, because of the kind of situations that people there are facing due to natural calamities. You have hurricanes, especially in British Virgin Islands, because in BVI there is no school for special children. So that is what we'll be supporting. And of course, we'll be going to the United States as well. That's where our tour will be ending. So it is a very, very long tour, but I'm happy that I'm not doing this tour alone. Not only with the Miss World team and the Continental Queens, but with all of you as well. Because I'm trying my best to keep you all posted about whatever is going on about Beauty with a Purpose. I think a lot of you have a lot of questions. So I'll be going through your questions as much as I can. I know it's going to be a very short live video, but I'm going to try to communicate as much as I can. But after this video, I'm going to give you all a small task so that all of you are a part of my Beauty with a Purpose. So I think this is a very small thing that I want to do, because I feel that although more than 120 girls come to Miss World with the dream of winning the Blue Crown, but there's not just one winner, because all of them bring their Beauty with a Purpose projects, and Miss World as an organization supports all of their projects. So I think at the end of the day, everyone's a winner, and I feel that you can also be a Beauty with a Purpose. And I'm going to start that activity very, very soon, but before that, I'm going to answer all your questions. So I'm going to scroll up. So a lot of highs. Hi everyone, a lot of love. Hello, I love you all so much. So what's my new aspiration after becoming the most beautiful woman in the world? Thank you so much, Sudeep Ghosh. I think it's literally an honor to be counted amongst the most beautiful women of the world. But I think right now, because the kind of things that I'm seeing, for example, for the first time in life, I saw sanitary pads that were made out of jute, which were not only biodegradable, low cost, but they were compostable as well. They can be converted into manure. And I never knew that this was happening in India, and it's happening across 40. They have 40 manufacturing units across 17 states of our country. So I think you know, when you see these kind of things, your aspirations, you become a little more ambitious. So I think I've become a little more ambitious, because in this 1 year, I think I want to learn as much as I can about what I can do further to not only, you know, to benefit my purpose in life as well. Because of course, a part of my purpose is menstrual hygiene, and that's how it all started. But I feel as a Miss World, every Beauty with a Purpose project, or any purpose that anyone has, any way I'm able to reach out to people, is my duty as a Miss World. So I think right now my aspiration is to do justice to the title and the responsibility that has been given to me. Hi everyone, thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. I think as someone who's very normal, as someone who's just dreamt big and made sure that she works hard, getting all this love for you is amazing. Okay, RD Malik, my daughter likes you a lot. She's just 5 months old. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is so sweet. I think I love kids, and you know, getting loved by a 5-month-old kid is very special to me. Thank you. Oh, I loved North Bengal. I would love to come there again. Hi, hello, hello Kumkum Talwar. So your daughter wants to be Miss India. Oh dear, now I think it's a great journey, not only to be a winner but also to be a contestant at Miss India, because it really helps you in a lot of ways to learn. I think if she wants to be Miss India, then the first thing that you must do is research, learn a bit more about the competition, about the previous years, and then maybe some things you will realize that some things maybe she might have to you know, work hard on, and something she might be her strengths. So I think this way you know, she can slowly try to know more about the competition. And then of course you have the Times of India website. She could always go on the website and see the form and see the requirements of Miss India. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you. I can see all of you are sending in a lot of love and a lot of blessings. I can't be grateful enough for all the support that I'm getting from all of you. Hello, Pavan Sonkar. Yes, I am a medical student. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have Rakesh Kumar Sikandra asking on the occasion of Valentine's Day, tell something. Well, Valentine's Day is in 2 more days, but I think Valentine's Day is about love. It's not, and love can be in any form. So I'm celebrating Valentine's Day with my Miss World family because I love what I'm doing. I love beauty with a purpose, and that's what makes my Valentine's Day special this year. And I think it's really good. It's a really good opportunity to, to spread love and to be able to make other people feel special. So I think all of you out there, every year I used to celebrate my Valentine's Day with my mom. I used to always make sure that she would be my #1 Valentine. I think this year I'm not with her, but of course I will be celebrating. And my message to everyone would just be that this year, let's just spread love. And in whatever you're doing, in whoever you're meeting, just make everyone feel loved. Thank you. Hi Priyanka Bhatt, I miss you all too. I think a very, very big thank you to the entire online team of Miss India, because I was not very social media friendly, I'll be very honest. But I think with all your efforts, today I'm able to be live and talk to so many people across the world. Hello everyone. Thank you so much. So I see that there are a lot of congrats coming, but okay, so we have Mosmi Prasad. How did I prepare for my modeling career with being an MBBS student? I really didn't have like a career in modeling. I just participated in Femina Miss India pageant, and the best part about Miss India is that you don't have to be like a model. Of course, the previous winners have been very good models as well, but Femina Miss India is more about who you are as a person and how you fit into how your individual, your unique personality molds, fits into the kind of requirements that different international pageants have, especially when it comes to Miss World, because Miss World is about beauty with a purpose, and it's about who you are as a person. Hi Drisya. So good afternoon. What's my further plans about my campaign? I'm a great admirer of yours. Thank you so much. I think now in this 1 week, the kind of reach that my campaign has had, like I just said, we traveled across all 4 corners of India. We went till the Bhutan border, which I never thought that I would do. We spoke to tribal communities over there, and we have tried to propagate a more eco-friendly approach towards sanitation, because it's in sanitary, in feminine hygiene management, it's not just important to use a sanitary pad, but also how to dispose it. So that is another goal that we have set with us. And of course, if we have biodegradable and compostable sanitary pads, then that I feel is the future. So that is something I personally am still trying to learn more about, trying to look more into. And I feel that now, because of the kind of reach that I have, be it to all of you, or to the media, or the kind of drive that I have internally, a lot of people who are already working towards it have been in contact with me. And I think slowly with all of them, because I'm not a person who wants to associate with one particular idea, but any idea that can better menstrual hygiene, I think I would love to be a part of it. Hi Swapnil, my sleepless nights become history now. Thank you so much. I think that's why I don't, that's why I think I keep going on, even if I sometimes might feel, that I'll be honest, like, I sometimes I do feel that this is too much maybe, but it's also exciting, and I'm getting to learn so much. So I think it's all worth it. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Hi Sachi Mishra. Do you remember STS? Of course I remember STS. I think STS, the St. Thomas's family, is always going to be have a huge place in my heart, and I can't thank St. Thomas's enough for making me the kind of person I am today, because of course my parents did involve me in a lot of social work, but through St. Thomas's, the kind of connect that they created with the society, the kind of confidence that they helped every girl build was something that was very special to me and really worked in my favor. Thank you, everyone. I think I've kind of I do have a lot of more questions, but I feel that I have kind of answered all of them. I think Drisya has another question. What made you choose menstrual hygiene as your project? That's a very long answer, to be honest. I have been asked that question many times, but as a girl who grew up with every you know, I would say with a lot of, I hate saying this to call it a privilege, but you know, in a lot of places all over the world, having good menstrual hygiene is considered a privilege still, which is very unfortunate. So as a girl who had access to all of this, I felt that I was able to do so much in my life, be it go to school, dance, you know, go on holiday, or be Miss World, give my best at the Miss World competition, was because I was healthy. And growing up, when I saw so many people who were denied proper sanitation and hygiene, I felt that I'd like every child, every girl to get an opportunity to be hygienic, to be able to have basic hygienic practices, so that she can achieve her dreams as well, because my dreams are very close to my heart and I want every child to be able to do that. So I think a lot of questions about Bollywood as well. I always get asked that question, but right now my live chat is about Miss World and about Beauty with a Purpose, the tour that I'm doing. And like I said to all of you, that at the end of this, I would really love for all of you to be involved in the Beauty with a Purpose project. So after this, I will be putting up a post, and I want all of you to comment what Beauty with a Purpose is for you at the post. And I think if we spread ideas, if you tell what Beauty with a Purpose is to you, you might inspire 220 or 200 more people to actually be involved in Beauty with a Purpose, and you might even motivate me as a person. So I'm going to put what Beauty with a Purpose is to me in my next post, and I want all of you to comment what Beauty with a Purpose is to you. So I'll be signing off because I do have to be somewhere else right now. But thank you so much for joining in my live. I promise I will be reading all of your comments after this, the comments that I could not read. And thank you so much. I think it's Valentine's week, and I have a lot of love to give to all of you, not only to my country but to the entire world. And I hope that I keep making everyone proud, and I really feel that it's important to involve all of you in my journey. Thank you for joining me again, and bye bye. I love you all.